everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an apartment refresh vlog. I'm just going to be kind of like redecorating and refreshing a few things. Mainly going to be focusing on my living room. I kind of want to do like a mini living room makeover. If you guys have watched some of my other videos, specifically like my Christmas decorating, fall decorating, just don't really like love the decorations in there. I feel like it's just not really my style anymore. I moved into this apartment like 5 years ago. I feel like my style has changed quite a bit since. My living room is very like millennial gray. Everything's black and white pretty much. Obviously, I don't really want to spend the money to like replace every single thing in my living room. I'm going to try to kind of refresh it and make it look a little bit more my style on a budget without like spending a ton of money. My goal is not to go over $500, which is still a lot, but you really can't get a rug or pictures or anything really under that. I feel like it's really hard. I'll let you guys know at the end like how much I ended up spending. That is the goal. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and get some inspo. If you're also looking to refresh your space, definitely thumbs up if you do. And if you'd like to see some more videos like this, I could definitely do a part 2 because there's a lot of other areas in my apartment that I want to kind of refresh. Definitely let me know if you'd like me to make this like a little series. Comment below some of your favorite places to shop for home decor. I feel like I always go to the same places, so I'd love to know what your guys' favorites are. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get into it. The first step to refresh my space is looking at inspo, kind of figuring out like what I want it to look like. Here are some pictures of kind of like the vibe and the style that I'm going for. I want to incorporate some more colors, some more natural wood, kind of like the Nancy Meyers aesthetic. I've been seeing that everywhere. I know people don't like when you call it the Nancy Meyers aesthetic, but I don't really know what else to call that. I feel like if I say Nancy Meyers, like we both know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna go too crazy because I feel like you could definitely go kind of crazy with that trend and just like buying tons of like books and lamps and flowers and just all kinds of things. I'm not trying to like spend a ton of money and replace every single thing. So I'm gonna try to just replace a couple big things that will change the whole look. Here is my current living room. You can see I've got a gray couch. I've got some black and white Monstera pictures, which this is like, those are like the main things that I want to replace. I've been looking for a good picture for a long time and I finally found one on Amazon that I think will be perfect. I have like a little pink chair. My pillows are also kind of like gray and white. I want to add some more colorful kind of printed pillows. If I had enough money left over, which I don't think I will, I would replace the pink chair with like a white chair, but I think the pink chair is fine for now. And then the rug. I think changing the rug will change the look of the entire living room. I just kind of want to replace it for something that has a little bit more color, is a little bit more stylish. I feel like this one kind of reminds me of like a bathroom rug. Those are kind of like the main things that I'm going to be focusing on. Once I'm done with that, I'll kind of look at all the little details. I'm also going to change up a few little things in my bedroom and my bathroom. That's the plan. I actually went shopping the other day and picked up a few things. I saw a rug that I really liked at home, so I'm going to go get that. I'll do a little haul of everything else I picked up once I get back.
Saw these clothes online and I thought they were really cute. I'm in Kirkland and I think I'm gonna get them. I really wanted some green pillows, but the ones I saw online were actually blue. And I think these would look really good, especially with the picture that I ordered and some other pillows that I ordered from Amazon. I'm just gonna get these because they are on sale actually, and I like the little bows and the stripes.
This lamp is so cute. I love like this kind of lamp shade. I've been seeing them everywhere I feel like, and I also love the gold. I might have to get this. This is the one that I saw the other day that I really liked. It has some colors, but it's not like too bright. And I think the colors that are in it, kind of like the gray and the green, I think will look really good with the decorations that I have. I'm gonna get this rug in the 8x10 size. Back home, I got the rug. So excited to see what it looks like in here. My mom's actually here to help me kind of like move everything out and put the rug down. So I'm just gonna kind of move everything out of my living room and put the new rug down. I'm also gonna kind of deep clean behind my couch since I don't normally move it. I just moved the old rug out, kind of moved my couch out from the wall and vacuumed behind it. There were so many spider webs. Now we're ready for the new rug. I hope I like how it looks. I don't know if it'll be too gray with my gray couch. We'll just see how it looks. I picked up a few home essentials from crate&barrel, so I thought I would do a little haul. crate&barrel is one of my favorite places to go for home essentials. Specifically, if you guys are shopping for your dorm, crate&barrel has so many great dorm essentials. They have a lot of like personalized items. They have a lot of like small kind of kitchenware items. When I moved out, I got a lot of home essentials from crate&barrel, and all of those pieces are such great quality and have lasted me. I feel like anything you get from crate&barrel is just gonna last you past college into your first apartment, or past your first apartment into your first home. They have so many amazing brands. If you're picking up all the essentials for your dorm, crate&barrel is the perfect perfect place to shop. They have everything from bedding to headboards to kitchen. They literally have everything, and they have a lot of like the top brands. They also offer personalization on pillows, robes, towels. That's really great if you have a roommate, and especially if you guys have similar tastes. Also, their headboards have built-in chargers, and they don't require any nails, so they're super easy to like set up. I'm actually partnering with crate&barrel in this video. They gifted me all these pieces. I'm so excited because they're literally one of my favorite brands. Every time I go in the store, I can't walk out without something. If you guys are shopping for your dorm specifically, or if you're looking to refresh your apartment, I definitely recommend shopping at Crate&Barrel. Everything that I'm showing will be linked below in my description if you guys want to shop any of these pieces from Crate&Barrel. First are these little glasses. My mom has these in the bigger size. Sister and brother-in-law also have these. Every time I use them at their houses, I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to get some of these glasses. This is the juice glass. It's like the smaller size. I love these. There's like little places like for your thumbs. I definitely want to get the full size as well. I don't really have any smaller like juice glasses. I thought these would be a great staple. I also got this glass. It's actually back ordered, so I don't have it yet. I've literally had this on my wish list. It's like the cutest little glass for coffees, for smoothies. I'm just obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. I was literally looking at it the last time I was at Crate&Barrel, so I also picked up a couple of those. Next are these little sauce dishes. I also don't have like any sauce dishes, so if I ever have like soy sauce or some kind of like dipping sauce, I feel like these would be so nice. My mom also has these, and I think my sister also has these. I don't really have any little dishes like this, so I've been meaning to get some. Love these. Next is this blender. It's a Beast blender. Okay, I'm really scared I'm gonna drop it. It's a little heavy. It's really aesthetic, but it also has really good reviews. All of my cabinets are pretty much full, so I don't have a lot of space, and I don't have a ton of counter space either. I wanted like a small-ish blender that was still gonna be powerful enough to like blend frozen ingredients. I've already used it several times and I'm obsessed with it. My smoothie was so smooth. I actually don't have a good blender, so I've been really wanting to get one, especially for summer. I just crave smoothies in summer. They're so fresh. I posted this on my Instagram story and I got so many replies about it. Definitely if you're looking for a good blender for your dorm, for your apartment, I recommend. I'm already obsessed with it. There's a bunch of different attachments. Like this one, you can put like a straw in it and kind of take it on the go, and all of these are dishwasher safe. It just makes it so easy to clean. It's also so easy to use. There's only one button, and when you click it and hold it down, it has like a certain pattern of how it blends. It kind of just does everything for you. There's two different ones on Crate&Barrel's website. I got the Mega. Next is this robe. You guys know I love my robes. I literally wear a robe out of the shower as I'm getting ready like every single day. This one is so nice. I also got it personalized with my initials. I don't really have anything personalized, so I just love this. I feel like it's so chic with the little initials. I love this blue color. This is like a really nice fitting robe. It's also super soft and like this nice kind of like towel material. I got the small medium and it's like perfectly oversized. If you guys have a roommate, if you live in a dorm or an apartment, if you're in college, I feel like the personalized items are super nice. You can also embroider towels, pillows. They have so many different personalization options, so I literally love that. Crate&Barrel's towels are also super nice as well. I was trying to decide between towels or the robe. Lastly is this toaster. This is the Smeg toaster. This has literally been on my wish list for so long. If you guys have watched some of my Christmas wish list videos, I've talked about this and I'm literally obsessed. This is a huge upgrade from my previous toaster. This one just feels so much nicer and it's so much more aesthetic sitting on my counter. I feel like it just upgraded my entire kitchen, honestly. So I'm obsessed. If you guys are thinking about getting this, I literally love it. That's everything I got from Crate&Barrel. Thank you so much to Crate&Barrel for gifting me these pieces. They're my go-to for home essentials. I love everything in there. Like I said, I'm gonna have everything linked below in my description if you guys want to shop all of these items. At Target looking for some little finishing touches, whatever I can find, honestly. Do I need this? No, but I feel like I could find a cute spot. I kind of want a little lamp in my bathroom. I have some pictures above my bed that I'm not really loving, so I thought maybe switching it to a natural frame and then changing the picture inside. I'm gonna grab a couple of these for maybe above my bed. Let's do a little haul of everything I picked up over the last couple days. First up is the picture that I got for my living room. I ordered that on Amazon. I've been looking for a picture frame to go above my couch for so long. I literally just typed in exactly what I was looking for and found it on Amazon. I was like, okay, I need to use Amazon more. The rug, I got this from At Home. Both of these are already kind of like in my living room. I'm literally loving the rug. I feel like it totally changed the look of my living room. Next from Amazon, I got a couple pillow covers. Once again, I kind of had like a specific thing in mind. I just typed it in and found exactly what I was looking for. I just need to get the pillows to actually go inside of these. Just have this olive green with the tassels and then this kind of cream with some green flowers. I wasn't initially planning on going for a green theme. I just kind of found things that all had green in them. Kind of just took a random trip to Target with my cousin. I came across this lamp and how cute. It was kind of expensive, it was $70. I just love the lampshade, and the green kind of goes with the theme. I got another lamp. This one is so cute. I've been seeing it all on my TikTok. I feel like it's probably sold out. This was just one random one that was like in the wrong place. I think this one's really cute. I think I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. I've been wanting to add a lamp in there. I just haven't been able to find one that I like that's kind of the right size. So I think this one will be perfect. Everything in my bathroom is kind of black and white, so I kind of wanted to refresh it a little bit, especially the countertop. It's just kind of random products. I've been trying to make my bathroom look a little bit cuter. I also got this little toothbrush holder for my bathroom. The one I have in there, I broke one of the matching containers. Once again, it's all just very black and white, so I kind of wanted some softer colors. I like this cream with the black. I didn't get anything else that goes with it. I don't really like need anything else. I almost always have a Bath & Body Works soap in there. And then the containers I don't really need because I have little glass containers on my glass shelf. I also got this lamp. This was from Kirkland's and it was on sale for 60% off. It was $19, which is such a good deal. I thought this would be super cute in my room. I've been looking for a new kind of lamp for my bedroom. I also want to incorporate some more gold and natural wood in my room rather than just like black and white. Very similar to the other lamp that I got from Target. I also got this picture. I feel like this photo went viral. Like everybody on TikTok has it. I've been influenced like 2 years later. It's like out of stock for the longest time and I just found one random one at Target and I just had to get it. Actually, it's really, really good in my kitchen. So I really like this. I don't care if everybody has it. This is actually the last thing. This is natural wood frame for above my bed. Currently I have black frames with like very cartoon kind of like pictures. So I think I'm just gonna get some prints off of Etsy and go and get them printed at like CVS. Put them in here and just do like a soft kind of floral print or something. I feel like it just kind of softens it up. This was actually super easy because I already had nails there from the previous picture. I think it looks really good. I actually feel like everything's coming along. It's not gonna be like a huge dramatic transformation. I think I decided on these pillows. I just put these like pillow covers that I got on Amazon inside pillows that I already had, but I ordered the actual right size on Amazon, so I should be getting those like tomorrow. I think this lamp looks really cute here. I'm loving like the green. I think it looks really like a nice little pop of color, but still kind of neutral. In my kitchen, I have this shelf from IKEA. I think this picture adds a nice pop of color, and especially with the gold. I think I'm gonna put this here. At some point, I do kind of want to update this shelf, just like everything that's on it. That will be for a different time. I'm just gonna leave it for now. I also kind of wanted to refresh my bathroom. Got like a new lamp and a new toothbrush holder, so not anything crazy. Let's just kind of give it a little refresh. Finished bathroom. Love the little lamp. I think it's so cute, and the toothbrush holder. And then I just put this cuter kind of a hand towel there, a more neutral colored Bath & Body Works soap. That is what it looks like. I think it looks super cute. Here are the pictures that I currently have in my room. I picked up these natural wood frames from Target and I'm just gonna switch these out. I'm just gonna find a picture and like print it out and put it in there, I think. The other update for my room is this lamp. Just gonna switch it out for the one that I got the other day. I think this one is super cute. It's just really girly and fun, and I really like the gold as well. I've been trying to find pictures to put in the frames above my bed. I finally found some I like. I just went on Etsy. It's like a digital PDF that you can just print out. Then I got the pictures printed at CVS. Now I'm ready to hang them. Here is what I ended up going with. I think this just looks like soft and neutral, and also if I get sick of it, I can easily switch it out for something else. I think it costs less than $15 total for the actual pictures, and then the frames were like $50 each. I'm gonna switch them out for these. Here are the new pictures. I think they look really good. They look a lot more aesthetic, I think, than the other ones that I had. My living room is finally done. There were a couple things that I ordered online that I was waiting to come in, some final touches. It's finally done, so I'm excited to show you guys. Here it is. New rug, new pillows, new picture frame. That's pretty much it. Everything else is pretty much the same, but I feel like it kind of gives it a whole new vibe. This is the main difference. I think the new picture frame really made it look more cozy. I think these pillows go really well with it. I really love like the colors of these. I ended up just leaving the plant. I was gonna do that lamp that I got from Target. It was super cute and it went really well with everything. I didn't know if it was like too much olive green. Also, the lamp was just kind of expensive and I feel like the plant looks just as good. I didn't really have a good spot to move this to. I didn't want like a lamp next to a lamp. I ended up just keeping this and returning the other little lamp. I didn't really change anything here, but I did change the rug. I feel like this patterned rug really just elevated the living room. I'm actually gonna put both of these like medium monsteras into one big plant. I haven't had a chance to do that yet, so just pretend this is like one big plant. This is pretty much the same. I actually took a few things off of my media console because I feel like it looks a little bit more clean without plants and stuff on it. That is the finished living room. I know it's not anything too groundbreaking. Just these few little changes cost more than what I had planned on spending. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be at this apartment, so I didn't want to like spend a ton to like completely redo it. I just wanted to like refresh it a little bit. That's everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. It's like a little bit of a different video, not something I normally post. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspo if you're needing to refresh your apartment as well, especially if you have a lot of black and white and gray. Hopefully this was helpful to kind of show how you can warm up the space. I'm definitely really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really cute. I feel like it just looks a little bit more adult, a little bit more aesthetic. There's definitely some more things that I kind of want to refresh. Let me know if you'd like to see another one of these videos. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. I'm gonna have everything linked below in my description if you guys want to shop any of the things that I purchased, the picture frame, the pillows, the crate and barrel item. All that'll be linked below in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment some emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.